Hello, amazing people. Welcome to Empower to Earn. Today, I'll be showing you how to make this powerful hot balm that gives instant relief for pains, cold, muscle ache, arthritis, sprain, and guess what? You can also make and sell it for profit right from your kitchen. Do you want to learn how? Don't skip. Get your jotter and pen and let's get started. First thing first, make sure you get all your ingredients ready. You will need heat source and a pot. We will be working with a very low heat. Get your heat source. You can use any heat source of your choice. The first ingredient goes into my dry empty pot is paraffin oil. Paraffin oil, I'll be using 250 ml of paraffin oil. Add your paraffin oil into your dry empty pot. Remember, we are working with very low heat. And the second ingredient in my hand is my petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly, I'll be using 500 grams. 500 grams of petroleum jelly. You can get all these ingredients with those people that sells soap chemicals. All those people that sell soap ingredients, like where you buy your liquid soap ingredient. Go with the list of all the ingredients you want to use and the measurements. Go with your list and measurements, and I'm very sure they will give you exactly what you want. I added my petroleum jelly into my paraffin oil. Don't forget we are working with a very low heat. You don't need to fry it. Stir it together. Make sure the petroleum jelly melts with paraffin oil before adding the next ingredients. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Any question, just drop it at the comment section and I will be right there to answer all your questions. I stir it together, then I added my beeswax. Beeswax, you can use up to 5 to 10 grams of beeswax. You can also get all these beeswax that look like pebbles. Then you can use like 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. If you want to know all the function of this ingredient, kindly get our ebook. The ebook is available if you want to if you want to make a larger quantity of hot balm. You know, this is another lucrative business that you can venture into, and it's also fast selling. You know, people rush it. It's just like this balm that we normally buy in my country here in Nigeria. We call it aboniki. So you can make your own aboniki at comfort of your kitchen. Just watch the video to the end and you will learn a lot in today's tutorial. And the next ingredient I'm adding is camphor, industrial camphor. And I use 1 teaspoon. Just 1 teaspoon of industrial camphor. I added it to it and I stir it gently. Remember, we are working with a very low heat. Don't fry it. Just work with low heat. Then what I'm adding next is my menthol. Menthol is one of the main ingredients in hot balm production. Menthol crystal. And I added 1 tablespoon. If you want your aboniki to be very, very hot, or your hot balm to be very, very hot, you can add 2 tablespoons or even more than. Menthol crystal is energetic properties. You know, is these properties that create a cooling and soothing effect that when you apply hot balm on your body, it gives you cooling effect that suits your body. You should understand what I'm talking about if you have ever used hot balm. Then now I've dropped it from the heat source. I've dropped it from the fire. I drop it on the floor. Then you allow it to cool for some seconds before you add the next ingredient. The next ingredient I added is sulfur. Sulfur I added just 1 teaspoon. I add it to it, then I stir it. Also, don't forget to get the ebook if you want to know all the functions of all the chemicals that we use into this production. It's very, very important. Is that you want to make it for your personal use or you want to start making it for business. You need to know all the function of each chemicals, each ingredient in this production. I added sulfur to it and I stir it. And the next I'm adding is my menthol silicate. Silicates I added 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of menthol silicates. After adding it, I stir it together. Make sure you stir together for all the ingredients to blend together before adding the next one. And the next one I'm adding is my peppermint oil. Peppermint oil I added just 1 spoon. 1 spoon of peppermint oil. I add to it and I stir it together. Gently stir together so that all the ingredients will blend. At this point, you need to stir it together very, very well. Stir gently and stir it together in order for all the ingredients to blend, because it's getting cold, but you can still work perfectly with it. So stir it together. Then the next thing I added is color. I use yellow color. You can add red color, any color of your choice. But the color I added is yellow color. So I added a pinch of yellow color, and the color is oil color, not water color. Oil color, please. I added and stir it together. So our hot balm is ready now. Is very, very ready to go into the packaging bottle. So I want to turn it into this cup so that it will be easy for me to add into the packaging containers. You can see our packaging containers here. So I will start pouring it into it one after the other. You need to be very careful when pouring your product into the container, because you don't want it to be splitting on it anyhow. It has to be very neat. So gently pour it and arrange it. When you pour it and arrange it well on the surface, table or floor, whatever, then you allow it. Immediately you drop it on the surface. Just leave it there. Allow it to solidify before you even cover it. So, and it won't take any time. Maybe in the next 30 to 1 hour, it will be strong enough to cover. Then you cover it, you label it. That is ready for sales or for use. This is another lucrative business that can empower you to earn money. You can just try it today. Very, very easy production. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If yes, kindly hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Share this video and also comment. All my return subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you in the next tutorial, and I say thanks for watching. Bye.